Gut feeler friend, I'm presenting you a treat today. This is something that I've been working with for many years, but I haven't really shared much on the channel. I call it the Golden Three. It's a sequence of acupressure points that help you long term if you struggle with a weak digestion, constant bloating, loose stools, or constipation. So these points are very regulating. If your gut is very sensitive and the nerve endings are inflamed there, if you react to stress with your digestion, these points are going to be a major game changer for you. And we're going to do this together. I literally walk you through everything you need to know. We'll do it on the spot. You'll need about 10 minutes time for the whole sequence. And from my experience with one-on-one clients and testing this on myself, you likely already feel relief after the first session once a day, not more, just once a day, but over a longer period of time, at least 7 days, you feel that your digestion is so much more balanced. It really makes a major impact. Doesn't come with any side effects, no costs on your side. Ideally wear comfortable clothing, loose clothing, not the tight jeans. We're going to expose different body parts, so you need access to them, and sit somewhere comfortably where you will not be disturbed. Let's get started. The first point of the Golden Three is stomach meridian ST36. It's located on your leg, on your lower leg, so you will need access to that. You don't have to remove the clothing. I just do that for you to see better. Let's start with how to find that point. You're going to put your fingers like this, find your kneecap. So where, you see, this is the cap, where the kneecap ends, which is here, then you put 4 fingers under your kneecap, and the point is located on the outside, so direction small toe, on the outside of your body, approximately here. You will find that when you press this point, you're going to search around a little bit. That's okay. When you press this point, it's slightly sore, it's slightly tender. So if it feels numb or dead, just move around a little bit until you find it. So I find it here. You also see the little picture here next to me. So once you located the point, you're gonna press in pretty firmly. I'm gonna set the timer for 2 minutes for this point. Okay, we'll do it on the other side as well. This is the one that needs the most pressure. So it's really, you can also put 2 fingers. Don't be shy with the pressure. If it's slightly sensitive, that's okay. It shouldn't hurt, but slightly uncomfortable is okay. I like to sometimes put my hand over it to just save some energy. You can also massage around a little bit. Remember to breathe. You're doing this very well, very well. Firmly, but not too uncomfortable. What this does is it strengthens the digestive function at the root of your digestive system. It also improves nutrient absorption long term. It builds long-term gut resilience. It's not just for symptom relief, but it actually strengthens your digestive system, and anything that upsets your gut, stress-related issues like lower enzymes or too much or not enough acid, this is also helping to calm down this point. Take another deep breath in. You're doing this very well. Keep pressing. Good job. Okay. And you can release, gently release. Shake out the hands a little bit. You're doing this really good. Now we're coming to the other side. Okay, it's the same thing. Find the kneecap where the kneecap ends, which is here. Put 4 fingers without the thumb right under the kneecap, and then find the outside point. Give it a moment to find really the point where it doesn't feel numb, but you actually feel some sensitivity, which is about here for me. And don't worry if you're like, oh my God, maybe this is the wrong centimeter. It's not about the centimeters. You're doing this right if it feels sensitive and it's about in the right spot. It shouldn't feel numb. If you're on a numb point, you are not in the right area. And you see, I use 2 fingers here just because this one needs a lot of pressure. And as always, the most important thing is keep breathing. The breath is one way to move energy in the body, and it really supports this meridian work that we're doing here. Breathing, pressing, breathing and pressing. This is what it's all about. We have 60 more seconds. You can also slightly circle it if you feel like it. It should feel a little bit uncomfortable. So if it's too comfortable, you're not putting enough pressure. And if it's painful, it's too much. But it's very hard to push this too much because you need a lot of pressure for this one. Very well. And you can always come back to this video if you're not sure how to press the points or you just want to be walked through. You will do the sequence for 7 days to really see results, and once per day. It's not necessary to do this more than once per day. Don't want to overwhelm the system. Okay? And then gently take the hand off. All right, good job so far, gut feeler. Let's continue with the second golden point for your digestive system. This point is central vessel CV12. It's located on the midsection of your body in the midline. And you find this by first finding your belly button, right? My belly button is here. And then the end of your sternum, right? It's the hard part like a plate in the middle of your chest. You find it by touching here. This is my sternum. And then you find the middle part, like the middle part, just in the middle, right on the middle line. This is conception vessel 12, right? Just locate it for now. We're going to press this with pressure, but not so it hurts, right? So breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. I'm going to press it for 2 minutes. Smile if you can. Relax. This point is amazing whenever you ate something, for example. It didn't sit well with you, so nausea, you feel upset, some bloating. You can also use this point separately or teach it to anybody you meet. It's very easy to find. And it also regulates your stomach acid and any secretions from your stomach, so any enzymes that are produced. It's really a point of regulation. So the first point, we strengthen the digestive system, and now we're adding coordination. If you're dealing with reflux, silent reflux, sore throat, sore stomach, this is a master point. But even if these are not your issues, it's still part of the golden three because it has this balancing effect. So it doesn't push, it doesn't speed up things, it balances them. In through the nose, out through the mouth. We're almost done. Relax and smile. Good work. Don't push too hard. If it starts to get too more uncomfortable, then just loosen the grip a little bit. Very well, we only have 1 point more left of the golden three. Shake your hands a little bit. If you're doing really well, maybe you already sense a change. Sometimes for me, it feels like my energy goes more down in a good way. I feel more grounded. This is also a very grounding point. More grounded, maybe more relaxed. My nervous system is like, oh, okay, it's fine. If you're dealing with stomach pain or any other pain in your body, there might be a slight relief already. But even if not, this still works. When you're ready for your third one, this is located on your ankle, on your lower part of your foot. You can do this with thin socks or just take the sock off. This point is located on your stomach meridian, and you can find it by having 3 to 4 fingers, like 3.5. Let's do a little bit like this, under the highest point of your ankle. So you see, here's the highest point, más o menos, of your ankle. You go 3 up, and then the point is here. And the way to find that is because it's in the back of the tibia, in the back of your shin bone, it's usually tender. So if it's a little bit tender or achy, it's the right point. Again, it's not about the centimeter. You can also push around a little bit. So here's my bone, and then it's behind there, right? Fingers, bone. So here, firm pressure, or you can massage it a little bit, like in pushing in and out. We'll do this for 1.5 minutes. Remember to breathe. This is all things you can do anytime, just once a day. This sequence is going to make a huge change in your digestive healing process. Why this works, this regulates. This is a very strong regulating point. It supports the digestion also, again, through the nervous system, works with the nervous system. So if your chronic digestive issues, your chronic gut issues are related to stress, hormones, fatigue, they almost always are, so chances are good, this helps to reduce the tension. Reduced tension that often blocks proper absorption in your gut. This is a very, very good cardinal point for that. And it works very well in this sequence as the last point because it has this strong balancing effect. Spleen meridian in general is often reacting to stress. It helps to be more grounded, to assimilate nutrients better. Doing very well, just a few more seconds. And we can come to the other side. Okay, it's the same thing here. Locate the highest point of your ankle, which is about here. 4 to 3 fingers. You will find the point by pushing where it's sensitive. Should be on the outside here. Push in a little bit. I like to do it here with the thumb if you can. It feels like I have a lot of potential pressure here. So my point is here. Here's the most achy and it's behind the bone, right? Tibia's here, the shin, and press. I'll set the timer for us. Very well. Breathe and smile. Good job. It should be pressed firmly. So if it's a bit sensitive, that's the right point. Then you know you're pressing the right point. Back to the ankle. Also massage a little bit. Often your body and your fingers know what to do. So just trust that. While I'm walking you through this here, also follow really your gut feelings. Name of the channel. Ha ha, hint, hint. Breathe. See if you can relax the whole body. Relax while you're doing this. You're doing something that is very, very good for your digestive system, enjoyable. Even if this point might be sensitive, for me it usually is. A few more seconds. The last 10 seconds. Very good. Let that come to an end. I would invite you to just take a moment, close your eyes, put your feet back on the ground. Take a breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and just feel into your body how you feel now. Just giving the body a moment to integrate the work that you've done, digestive system. And we're listening for a moment. Just a few seconds. Without judging, so maybe there are some parts that feel more achy or you feel the last point you pushed. It's okay. It's really just taking this pause, because this pause in general is what heals the digestion the most. The more pauses, the more conscious pauses you can take, the more you can help the body to regulate itself, because that's what it naturally does. If you like, let me know in the comments below what you experienced. And really, really, really highly recommend you to do this for at least 7 days, just once per day. If you like this and you want more help, get the free gut healing cheat sheet. I link you that here for you to get more simple tips how to improve your digestion naturally.